Fame on the Coast is very important to me because it's given me a foundation to start a career. In the area, there wasn't any programs that matched what they could do here, especially with the laboratories, the ability to work while we're at school. This creates the opportunity to be able to translate what we do in classroom to what we do at work. We have to be here at 7:30. We clock in the mornings, we clock out when we leave. They're trying to set our school based on a normal work schedule. We start our day each morning with a safety circle. One person a day speaks on an incident that happened while they're at work and how we could fix it in the future and stay aware of preventing these. The safety is top of the top here. They want you to leave with everything that you got here in the morning: fingers, toes, arms, legs. It's hard hat, steel toes, cut resistant gloves, and hearing protection and eye protection. So normally on a day-to-day basis, that's what I'm wearing. I think the best thing about the program that appeals to every one of my classmates is being able to work while you're in school. You could study it for hours, but none of that's gonna help when something goes wrong. It's gonna be experience. And this program offered me that experience and a degree. So it was really the best of both worlds for me, and I couldn't see my career going forward as fast as it is without it.